What's up? Good morning to all you YouTube subscribers. I'm Justin Fleming, and today I'm going to sing a very fun song for all of you today. It's called Sound of My Farts, which is a parody of the Backstreet Boys hit single, Shape of My Heart. Let me tell you what this little funny song tells the story of. This funny song tells the story of Nick Carter of the Backstreet Boys, who makes a girl listen to his farts. So here goes. I'm going to sing the song for all of you. I know you're going to like it. Sound of My Farts, which is a parody of the Backstreet Boys hit single from 2000, Shape of My Heart. So here goes. Dun, dun, ooh, yeah, yeah. Baby, you know that I stank. Stay here or I'll put out my farts. Hold me now, don't bother. If every minute it makes me higher, you can save me from the stench that I've become. Oh yeah, looking back at the times I fought, it wasn't like this from the start. I played my part and kept you in my heart. Now let's listen to the sound of my farts. Farting is too fucking gross. The stench is very shitty, so help me, I need some maalox, girl. Oh no, touch me now, don't bother. If every second it takes me higher, you can save me from the stench I've become. Looking back at the times I thought, it wasn't like this from the start. I played my part and kept you in my heart. Now let's listen to the sound of my farts. I'm here with my confession. There are a lot of posters, no more, no, it wasn't like this from the start. So just listen to the sound of my farts. I'm looking back at times I fight. I never wanna play the same old part. I'll keep it in my heart. Now let's listen to this. I'm looking back at the times I fight. It wasn't like this from the start. I played my part and kept you in my heart. Now let's listen to the sound again. Back at the times I fought, it wasn't like this from the start. I played my part and kept you in my heart. Now let's listen to the sound of, listen to the sound of my farts. So all of you think I did a good job doing that parody song for all of you? Sound of My Farts, parody of the Backstreet Boys hit single from 2000, Shape of My Heart. I know all of you liked it. Subscribe to me, Justin Fleming. Hit like, make a comment on my video, and have a happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Have a good afternoon, good morning. I'm out of here. Peace.